Now we can discuss the try this page number 10. The first question is 4 times negative 8. 4 times negative 8. What is the answer? Here we are multiplying one positive integer and one negative integer. So first we can multiply the numbers without sign. That is negative or positive. We can keep it here. Then 4 8s are 32. Then think about the sign. Here one negative, one positive. Positive multiplied by negative. We will get negative as the answer. So the answer is negative 32. Then next question is 8 times negative 2. As in the first question, we can do that 8 2s are 16. One is negative integer and another is positive. So the answer will be negative itself. Answer is negative 16. So next question is 3 times negative 7. Here also 3 7s are 21. One is negative, another one is positive. So the answer is negative 21. Then 10 times negative 1. That is also equal to negative 10 itself. Clear? Then here itself another question is the 6 times negative 19. What is the answer? Multiply 6 and 19. 6 19s are 114. Then the sign is negative. Why? Because one number is negative and another one is positive. Then the next question 12 times negative 32. Also the 32 times 12, that is also equal to 384. One number is negative. So we can keep that negative sign for our answer. Then 7 times negative 22. 22 times 7 is equal to 154. 154. Sign is negative. So when we are multiplying one negative integer and another one positive integer, the answer will be always negative integer itself. Okay, that means if negative 2 multiplied by negative 2 multiplied by negative 2, what will be the answer? Here we are multiplying 3 negative integers. Answer will be negative. Then that answer is negative 8. But if it was negative 2 and negative 2, answer will be positive. That means here 3 negative integers are there and here 2 negative integers are there. So at the time the answer is positive, here it is negative. That means when we are multiplying odd number of repetition, if the negative sign is repeating odd numbers, the answer will be negative. Then when the negative integers are only in that even numbers, that automatically will be positive. Clear? Here these type of questions are there. That is negative 3 plus negative 3 plus negative 3 plus negative 3. That means repeated addition. Same number we are repeating. That means 4 times negative 3. So the answer is negative 12. Here then 3 times negative 7. Answer will be negative 21. Clear? This will be the blank place. We have to fill in the blanks. Here for this first question, this was the blank and this one also blank. For the second question, this one and this one. These questions are there in the page number 10 itself. Okay. Then next question, 4 times negative 8 is equal to, we have studied in case of commutative property, negative 8 times 4. Okay. That is equal to negative 32. These two are blank. Okay. Then next question 3 times negative 7, that is equal to negative 7 times 3. We can multiply in any order. Then that is equal to negative 21. So these two are blank. Filling the blanks. Then next question 6 times negative 5, that is equal to negative 5 times 6. So that is equal to negative 30. So here is the next one. Then next question 2 times negative 9 is equal to negative 9 times 2. That is equal to negative 18. So these two are blank. Then next question is 10 times negative 43 is equal to negative 43 multiplied by 10. That is equal to 430. Then negative symbol. Clear? These two were blank. So we have completed the page number 10. Clear? If you have any doubt, please make a call. Now we can do the page number 11. Find 15 multiplied by negative 16. Here one negative and one positive. First we have to multiply 16 and 15. So we can multiply 30, then 3 will be there, then that is 80, then 16 times 1 is equal to 16 itself. 0, 40, 2, 240. So negative 240 will be the answer. Why? Because one is negative, another one is positive. Okay, then 21 multiplied by negative 32. First what can we do? First we can multiply these two numbers. So 32 multiplied by 21. Then 32 itself, then 64. 2 times 2, 4, 3 2s are 6. Then 2 will be there, here 7 and here will be 6. 672. What is the sign? Here it is negative. So we can write negative 672. Then the next question it is 42 multiplied by 12. So negative 42 multiplied by 12. So we can multiply that 42 multiplied by 12. Then 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 1 2 is 2, then 1 4 is 4. Then we can add this 2, 4 will be there, 8 plus 2, 10, 1 will be there, 1 plus 4, 5, 504. So 504, but the sign will be negative. Okay, then the next question, 55 multiplied by negative 55 multiplied by positive 15. So first 55 multiplied by 15. 5 5s are 25, 5, 2 will be there. Again 25, 5 5s are 25 plus 2, 27. 1 5 is 5. Then 1 5 is 5. We can add this 2. 5 will be there. 7 plus 5, 12. 1 will be there. 2 plus 5, 7 plus 1, 8. 825. So the answer is 825, but here one negative symbol is there, so we can write it 825, negative 825. Clear? Next question is check if question number A, 25 multiplied by negative 21 equal to negative 25 multiplied by 21. That is, here LHS is there, RHS is here. So for this LHS side, 25 multiplied by negative 21. We can do this part. 25 multiplied by 21. 25 times 1, 25 itself. Then 25 times 2, 50. Here will be there. We can add 525 is the answer. Then we will get 525. But here one negative integer, so we can keep negative for this answer. Then this RHS part, that is equal to negative 25 multiplied by 21. So here also 25 multiplied by 21, answer is 525. But the one number is negative, so we have to keep here negative integer. So actually what happened, negative will be anywhere if the numbers are same, and we can keep the negative in any way. Actually negative 21, that is equal to negative 1 into 21. Okay, then negative 25, actually that is negative 1 into 25. So at the time we will get this negative. So this negative can be anywhere. Here negative is for 21, but at the time 25 is positive, and here it is positive 21 but negative 25. Don't forget, this type of things are happening in case of multiplication, only in the case of multiplication. Okay, we can keep the negative for anywhere, but the answer will be same. So we can say that LHS and RHS are equal. Okay. So the given statement is true. Next question is negative 23 multiplied by 20 is equal to 23 multiplied by negative 20. So think here this is negative 23, but here it is positive 23. Here it is positive 20, here it is negative 20. That means we changed the negative symbol to another digit. Here it was negative, but here it became positive. But only one negative integer is there. Only one negative integer. So, we can multiply LHS side, that is negative 23 multiplied by 20. 23 times 2, that is 46. We can keep there 1 0. This 0 is for this, 20 is 0. Then keep this negative sign. Then RHS is equal to 23 multiplied by negative 20. That is equal to 23 times 2. That is 46. Keep there 1 0. Then keep negative sign. So these both are equal. 460. Negative 460 is equal to negative 460. So we can say LHS equal to RHS. So we can say this side will be equal to this side. LHS side will be equal to RHS side. Clear? Next page number 12. Try this. Starting from negative 5 times 4, find negative 5 times negative 6. We have to multiply and we have to find out. That is, from negative 5 to 4, we have to reach negative 5 times negative 6. So that means this is reducing. 5 is equal in this case and negative 5. Both are negative 5 itself. But we have to change these numbers. Here it is 4 and here it is negative 6. That means we have to reduce the numbers. Okay. So negative 5 times 4. That is 5 4s are 20. Then next will be negative 20. Negative sign we have to keep there. Next number will be, we have to reduce that 1, 1, 1. Okay, minusing 1 for each step. Then we have to multiply. After then we have to write the answer. Then negative 5 multiplied by 3. That is negative 15. Clear? Then next, negative 5 times 2. That is equal to negative 10. Okay. Next, negative 5 times 1, that is negative 5 itself. Then negative 5 times 0, the answer is 0 itself. When we are multiplying by 0, we will get that same integer itself. Sorry, 0 as the answer. When we are multiplying by 0, we will get 0 as the answer. Then negative 5 multiplied by negative 1. Now, here both are negative integers. So we will get positive as the answer. Then 5 times 1, 5 itself. Okay. Then next, negative 5 times negative 2. That is positive 10. Negative and negative will be positive. 5 times 2, 10. Next, negative 5 times negative 3. That is positive 15. Then negative 5 times negative 4. That is positive 20. Then negative 5 times negative 5. The answer is positive 25. Then negative 5 times negative 6. Answer is positive 30. So we got the answer. This was the last step. Negative 5 times negative 6 is the last step. Clear, children? This way we have to find out the answer in some cases. But actually we have to understand how can we multiply a negative integer and a positive integer. This way. Actually what happened? When we are multiplying a negative integer and a positive integer, we will get negative integer as the answer. Okay. Also, when we are multiplying two negative integers, even number, two negative integers, we will get a positive integer. Okay. When we are multiplying by 0, we will get 0 as the answer. Next question is negative 6 multiplied by 3. Then we have to reach the negative 6 multiplied by negative 7 up to here. We have to reduce the number. We have to subtract 1 from 3. Here 3. Here negative 7. Negative 6 and negative 6 are both, are same in both cases. Okay. So, 6 3s are 18. Negative will be there. Then negative 6 times 2. That is negative 12. Then next, negative 6 times 1, that is negative 6. Multiplication table of 6. Then negative 6 times 0, answer is 0 itself. Next, negative 6 times negative 1, positive 6. Then negative 6 times negative 2, positive 12. Negative 6 times negative 3, positive 18. Negative 6 times negative 4, positive 24. Then negative 6 times negative 5, positive 30. Then next, negative 6 times negative 6, 36, positive 36. Negative 6 times negative 7, that is 42, that is positive 42. Listen, if there is only digit or number, that will be positive itself. Positive 6 is equal to 6 itself. Then positive 12 is equal to 12 itself. But in case of negative, don't forget we have to keep here negative symbol. That is compulsory. That is important. Okay. Next question. Negative 31 multiplied by negative 100. Both are negative integers. So 31 times 100. 31 and 2 more zeros. Because 100, 1, 2. 2 zeros are there. Keep that 2 zeros. Negative multiplied by negative, positive. Then the next question, negative 25 multiplied by negative 72. 25 multiplied by 72. We can multiply that. 25 and 72. Multiplication. 2 5s are 10. 1 will be there. 2 2s are 4 plus 1, 5. Then next by 7. 7 5s are 35, 3 will be there, 2 7s are 14, 14 plus 3, that is 17. We can add it. Then 0, 5 plus 5, 10, 1 will be there, we can add. Then 8, then 1. The answer is 1800. But here one negative, here also one negative. Automatically that will be positive. So next one is negative 83 multiplied by negative 28. So we can multiply 83 by 28. 8 3s are 24. 2 will be there. 8 8s are 64 plus 2, 66. Then 2 3s are 6 itself. 8 2s are 16. Add it. 4, 12, 13. Then 2, 2, 3, 2, 4. Negative and negative, positive will be there. Is it clear, children? So, when we are multiplying two negative integers, we will get positive integer as the answer. Now we can discuss the page number 14. Think and discuss. Then write. That means the product negative 5 multiplied by negative 9 multiplied by negative 6 multiplied by negative 3 is positive, whereas the product negative 9, negative 5, then 6, then 3, negative. Why? Because here negative 9 multiplied by negative 5 multiplied by negative 6 multiplied by negative 3. They are saying this is positive. And here negative 9, negative 5, 6, negative 3. That is negative. It is very clear. Here we are multiplying 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 negative integers. That is even number of repetition. Negative integers repeated or negative integers. How many negative integers are there? 4 negative integers are here. So 4 is an even number. So the answer will be positive. But here 1, 2, 3. 3 negative integers are there. 3 is an odd number. So the answer will be negative. Okay, how many negative integers are there? If it is 5 negative integers, then the answer will be negative. But if it is 6 negative integers, the answer will be positive. Clear? Next question is, what will be the sign of the product if we multiply together 8 negative integers? So 8 is an even number. 8 is an even number. So we can say when we are multiplying negative integers, even numbers are there, no? So the answer will be positive. Then positive multiplied by positive, positive will be the answer. So 8 negative integers and 3 positive integers. Positive integers how many? It doesn't matter. Positive integers, how many positive integers are there? The answer will be positive itself. But we have to think about the number of negative integers. How many negative integers are there? So here it is 8 negative integers. So the answer will be positive. But in next case it is 5 negative integers. 5 is an even number. So and 4 positive integers. So for 4 positive, it doesn't matter, positive itself. But here 5 negative integers are there. 5 negative integers mean by 5 is an even number. So negative will be the answer. Okay. Next, negative 1. 12 times. How many times? 12 times. If it is negative 1, 12 times. 12 is an even number. So the answer will be positive. Next question. Negative 1. 2m times. 2m. This is an algebraic equation. That is 2m. When we are multiplying a number by 2, so we can say that answer is an even number. When we are multiplying by 2, any number, that is 1 times 2, answer is 2 itself. 2 is an even number. Then 2 times 5, the answer is 10. 10 is an even number. So we can say that when a number is multiplying by 2, anyway, the answer will be 10. So, negative 1, 2m times. M is a natural number. That means counting numbers. Okay. 2m times means 2m is a product of 2. Okay, 2. So, it's an even number. So, the answer will be positive. Okay. I think now you got the idea. Some ideas you got it. That is, when we are multiplying positive integers and negative integers, what will be the sign? Okay. Thank you.